So over the last probably 18 months, we've started to develop skills and confidence in the sort of digital and service design space, but very much on top of everyone's day job. And it was becoming clear we weren't going to be effective or efficient unless we changed how we operated. And I think that kind of realization was primarily because of the success of the work that we've done with CDPS. So I think it was essentially about bringing skills, knowledge, enthusiasm together to try and make sure we had the right people working on projects from the start, um, increasing capacity and embedding a lot of what we'd learned through CDPS. And I think crucially, it's also given staff who've been really enthused by this area of work a really good development opportunity and a really important area for us. And in terms of the skills, we've got it sits primarily across sort of 4 areas of the business. So comms, sort of IT infrastructure, service design and insight. And it's a mix of people who've been at Sport Wales for over 10 years, people who've just joined. Some were directly involved in the CDPS work. Some came along to the show and tells or took part in some of the training that CDPS put on for us. And it really resonated with them. It's probably important to know that we're a relatively small organisation. So for the majority of people, we've changed the emphasis of their day jobs to allow them to spend more time working in this space rather than creating new roles. It's very much in its infancy. We are sort of just getting started, I suppose. But I think from my perspective, the main thing is it's a group of people who are really passionate about designing and developing services based on user needs, who want to be hands-on and who want to learn more and keep learning. Probably the most important thing at the moment is making sure that the enthusiasm and the appetite to change how we operate that came about from our work with the CDPS, we don't lose